The TRADESAFE Universal Spill Kit bin is an all-in-one solution for cleaning up large spills quickly and safely. Inside the bin, you'll find everything needed for safe cleanup. Absorbent pads quickly soak up oils, coolants, and water-based fluids. Absorbent socks create a tight barrier around spills to stop liquids from spreading. Absorbent pillows control heavy leaks and drips, especially in hard-to-reach spaces. Hazmat bags allow safe containment and disposal of used absorbents. Chemical-resistant gloves protect your hands, while adjustable goggles shield your eyes from splashes and debris. Each absorbent is engineered for reliable containment and fast performance. The socks and pillows feature a spun-bond outer mesh with polypropylene filler, while the pads are made from 3-layer SMS polypropylene. Together, the kit absorbs up to 41 gallons without leaving residue, containing oils, water, solvents, coolants, and more before they spread. All components are organized in a heavy-duty 32-gallon high-density polyethylene wheeled bin with an inner pocket for easy access. The bin itself doubles as an overpack salvage drum, providing added protection and secure storage in the field. And when not in use, the entire kit stores cleanly in workshops, warehouses, or job sites. When the job is done, polyethylene hazmat bags ensure EPA-compliant disposal, so cleanup is just as safe as it is efficient. TRADESAFE Universal Spill Kit bin is built for reliable and compliant spill response when it matters most. Innovative safety solutions, trusted by industry leaders. TRADESAFE.